Dear students, welcome to Tudaram Chaturchand College, Baramati. Our college is located in the heart of the city, popularly known as TC College. My name is Sriranga Shedke, subject in charge of electronics. First of all, I congratulate you and your parents for getting admission for 11th Science with electronics subject. This electronics subject comes under bifocal course known as Divilakshi Abhyaskram, started in 1978 by Government of Maharashtra. Still, the subject is popular due to its benefits while studying engineering in any branch or any faculty, that is computer, IT, mechanical, civil, electrical, electronics, ENTC, etc. It is also useful for preparation of entrance exams like CET for engineering and pharmacy, JEE for NIT and IIT, etc. It is also useful for study physics subject because of about 20% syllabus is covered in electronics. After completing 11th science, 12th science with electronics, students get following benefits. Students got following benefits. First of all, exposure of computer basic knowledge. Second one, preparation of engineering subject at junior college level. Third one, 20% preparation of entrance exams like CET, JEE, etc. Fourth one, eligible for engineering admission with any branch, that is BE, BTech, IIT, etc. Eligible for pharmacy, that is B.Pharm. Eligible for BSc, BBA, BCA, etc. Seventh one, eligible for BTech Agriculture with special weightage of 8% mark. That is, students having electronics at 12th level get special weightage while taking admission is BTech Agriculture. Eighth one, these students are also eligible for getting admission for diploma course to direct second year admission. Again, lastly, these students are eligible for architecture admission, that is BArch. This electronic subject is mostly run by few well-known institutes in Maharashtra, out of which TC College is only one college in rural area of Pune district which run electronics subject as grantable and non-grantable also. For that, college provides well-equipped laboratory, huge library and experienced teaching faculties. Since electronics subject is of 200 marks, 100 marks for theory paper and 100 marks for practical work. It has got two papers, electronics paper first for which 50 marks for theory and 50 marks for practicals. Similarly, for electronics paper second, out of 100 marks, theory for 50 marks and practicals for 50 marks. After studying electronics subject, student get much more practice and knowledge of basic electronics and modern physics. Also, students get well pleasure while studying advanced digital electronic circuits like cellular phone, satellite, fax machine, radar, Xerox machine, etc. However, students achieve some skill with basic knowledge, which is helpful to them for higher education or to start up their own industry, that is self-production, which is the motto of our electronic subject, that is bifocal. म्हणजे विद्यार्थी मित्रो, बायफोकल याचा अर्थ द्विलक्षी. या विषयाचे या कोर्सचे 2 हेतू आहेत. एकतर काय करावं, या विद्यार्थ्यांनी इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स सब्जेक्ट 11वी-12वीला स्टडी करून हायर एज्युकेशनला जावं, मीन्स BTech, MTech, MS, IIT, NIT. आणि दुसरा हेतू काय आहे की या विद्यार्थ्यांनी एक स्पेसिफिक स्किल आत्मसात करून एक स्वतःचा व्यवसाय करावा, स्वतःचं प्रोडक्शन स्टार्ट करावं, स्वतःचं स्टार्टअप करावं. म्हणून हा काय केला आहे, महाराष्ट्र शासनाने विषय हा 11वीपासून शास्त्र शाखेसाठी इंट्रोड्यूस केलेला आहे. तेव्हा आपण या विषयाचा नक्कीच फायदा घेऊन आपलं करिअर उज्ज्वल कराल अशी आशा बाळगतो. धन्यवाद. आणि यानंतर तुम्हाला या विषयात